susunod po natin, yes, about the recipes, the most important convention that probably the least obvious is the commas in the ingredients list really matter. For example, when we say 1 pound of chicken thighs trim, we mean that you should buy 1 pound of thighs and then trim them fat off. Yan, yung mga ganun, yung mga tips na po ito sa ating pagluluto para po makuha po natin yung exact amount po, yung tips na binibigay natin. On the other hand, we call for 1 pound trim chicken thighs. You should need to either purchase trim thighs or buy more than 1 pound that we want you to cook. Does it really matter? In some cases, no, but those small differences will impact the nutrition profile of this and might even affect how something cooks. Tama po. For instance, if you put too much meat in stir fry, you run the risk of overcooking the wok, causing you meat to stew instead of getting the desired sear. Tama po yun. We try to call for ingredients in terms of what you would buy at your market. Small onion rather than 1 cup diced onion. When we call for measure of an ingredients instead of the amount you buy at your market, it's typically because the amount of the ingredient has a big impact on the way. Ayan, di ba? Yan naman. So, sa kagaya nating mga mother, so, or what we call is like mga housewife, po, at tips on how to cook like a pro naman daw. Yan. If you ever watch line cooking in a restaurant, then you know that the secret of how they churn out all those plates of food so quickly is that all their ingredients are prepared, organized, and ready to go when they get an order. Excuse me. Chef calls this idea of having all the ingredients ready mise en place. Translated literally, it means everything in place. This is great way to approach cooking at home. Yeah. 2. Once you've read your recipe, head to the refrigerator and cupboard, pull out all the ingredients you'll need and set them up next to your work. Yeah. Yan, to your next workspace. If it's going to take a little while to chop and prepare, then leave your meat in the refrigerator until closer to when you're ready to put it in the pan. As you prepare ingredients, if you don't have enough room to keep them organized in little piles on your cutting board, transfer them to small bowls. We like to use the glass ramekins that you can pick up at most supermarkets for prepared ingredients. The other thing you may notice as you watch line cooking at a salt station is that they use metal tongs for everything. Metal tongs are like an extension for the professional cook's arm. Try them. A decent pair of inexpensive, and you will never want to cook without them once you do. If you cook with a non-stick skillet a lot, you should also get silicone coated tongs. Yan. Daming tips talaga. And ang next naman po natin is chop quickly. So, another way of help us how to cooking. Nothing slows you down more in the kitchen than dull knives. Tama. Invest in a good chef's knife. Naku, pati knife nito parang nagpo-promote tayo dito, di ba? And paring knife. Then buy an inexpensive handheld knife sharpened. Yes, this can cost you not too much and take just a couple of swipe of the knife through the little V-glove before you get to work. Yeah, dami-daming tips sa atin, pati sa knife. Okay, let's go to the develop a report rate of effortless sides. Yan. When it comes to rounding out a meal, Think easy, crusty bread, egg, noodles, or simple green salad, and it's always smart to add more veggies to your meal. So learn some basic ways to cook them using our guide. Yeah. So, ano ba? Ko-continuous pa natin. Marami pa tayong oras. But anyway, ang ano natin is guide on how to cook vegetables. Itutuloy po natin. But by the way, we will give you another songs para po hindi tayo maboring sa haba-haba ng binabasa natin. And again, maraming salamat po sa nakikinig. Alam ko maraming nakikinig sa atin. Thank you so much po. And yes, just ring us whenever you have a request song or you want to greet a loved one. Okay, birthday, greetings, and whatsoever. And I love you so. Para po sa inyong lahat.